morning, everyone. I hope you all are staying strong at your home. Today, we will continue our chapter Leisure Time, and today we will read about the yoga. Yoga, which is yog, stands for the combination addition, right? Yog का मतलब होता है sum total. So, yoga deals with the asanas and pranayam. Further, yoga helps us to lead a healthy and stress-free life. Physical and mental stress makes us sick and tired, and yoga helps us to lead us a stress-free life. It also guides us to adopt right eating habits. Yoga is also part of our ancient culture, and in present scenario it is very popular in our country and all over the world. Yoga teaches various asanas, postures to build energy, tone our muscles and keep our body fit. Yoga does not require any expensive equipment or venue. One yoga mat is enough, and in any open area, in your garden or in your terrace or in your balconies, you can perform the yoga postures and pranayam. It can be practiced anywhere at any time of the day. There is not any fixed time or any fixed venue for it. So you can see only a yoga mat is required. This is a GIF which is showing the movement. योगा में आप जब पोस्चर्स लेते हैं, पोस्चर्स की मूवमेंट के साथ साथ ब्रीदिंग भी आपकी कंट्रोल की जाती है. So next what we are going to read about is the breathing, which is pranayam. So pranayam regulates breathing and relax our body as well as mind. It also cures breath related problems and stress related disorder like anxiety and depression. So breath related जितने भी हमारी प्रॉब्लम होती है और जो हमें डिप्रेशन वगैरह होता है और एंग्जाइटी होती है, उसको क्योर करने में प्राणायाम contributes a lot. And as we can see presently we are facing a pandemic time. तो बाहर जो सिनारियो है उससे फाइट करने में हमें प्राणायाम बहुत हेल्प करता है. और 21st century है, and presently the kind of lifestyle we are having numerous lifestyle disorders, जिनमें से anxiety and depression, ये जो है anxiety, obesity, depression, इनको lifestyle disorder कहा जाता है. तो इस तरीके की जो disorders हैं, इनमें प्राणायाम इनकी cure करने में बहुत ज़्यादा helpful होता है. Now breathing plays an important role in our physical and mental health. And when we inhale, we breathe in oxygen. That oxygen is absorbed by our body, right? And when our body absorbs that oxygen in the same time, our body also this breathing also helps us to remove the harmful carbon dioxide from our body when we exhale. So take a long deep breath. You will immediately feel mentally and physically relaxed as your mind and your body gets a good supply of oxygen, and the harmful carbon dioxide is removed from your body when you exhale. So run fast for 2 minutes. What do you notice about the breathing? So this is an exercise which you can do, an activity that you can perform. जब आप बहुत फास्ट रन करते हैं 2 मिनट्स के लिए, तो आप क्या देखते हैं कि यू आर ब्रीदिंग वेरी फास्ट. आपकी ब्रीदिंग बहुत फास्ट हो जाती है. रीज़न बीइंग कि जब आप दौड़ रहे होते हैं, आपकी जो बॉडी होती है, आप जो ब्लड फ्लो हो रहा होता है, आपको बहुत ज़्यादा अमाउंट में ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायर्ड होती है, क्योंकि इतनी एनर्जी यूज़ हो रही है. उसको फुलफिल करने के लिए हमारा जो माइंड है वो सिग्नल सेंड करता है हमारे रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम को, एंड वी स्टार्ट ब्रीदिंग वेरी fast and very frequent. Okay, so now there is a story. This story is of a woodcutter. So a woodcutter was feeling cold in a deep forest and blew on his hands. Mia Balestia was curious. So once there was a woodcutter, he went to deep forest and क्योंकि winter season था तो he was blowing on his hand और वहाँ पे एक मिया बिलिस्टिया नाम का पर्सन था. मिया बिलिस्टिया was very curious कि ये जो woodcutter है ये बार बार अपने हाथों में blow क्यों कर रहा है. As you can see in this picture, this girl, she's wearing a muffler and she's also blowing in her hands, right? So in a similar way, the woodcutter was also performing the same practice. So he asked the woodcutter the reason for doing so. उसने woodcutter को पूछा that why are you doing this? The woodcutter replied him that I blow on them to make them warm. Why he was blowing on his hand? ताकि वो जो उसके hand है वो warm हो जाए. आप देखिए कभी भी अगर आप winters में we also used to do the same practice. हम अपने hands rub करते हैं जब हमें बहुत ठंड लग रही होती है और हम अपने mouth से warm air जो है उसकी तरफ blow कर रहे होते हैं, ठीक है. But what happened a little later? The woodcutter boiled a potato. Woodcutter ने एक potato boil किया and he started blowing on it also. अब उसने दोबारा उस पे blow करना शुरू कर दिया. Now Mia Bilistia was confused. He said that the potato is already hot. Why do you want to make it hotter? So this time the woodcutter replied, I am blowing on it to cool it down. And then जब मिया बिलिस्टिया ने ये बात सुनी, like in this picture you can see the girl is blowing on the saucer so that she can cool down her tea, right? In a similar way the woodcutter was blowing on the potato so that the hot potato can cool down. But earlier what the woodcutter explained to Mia Bilistia that he was blowing on his hand so that his hand can get warm. So he was very confused. Sometimes the woodcutter is blowing so to make his hand hot, and sometimes the woodcutter is blowing to make his potato cool. So he was very confused. Does it sound confusing to you also? So here is the moral of the story, that when you blow a narrow stream of air, it feels cold, and when you breathe with wide open mouth, it feels warm. We blow on cold thing to make them warm and on hot thing to cool them down, right? You can try it at your home. So this is all for today. Stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Bye bye. Take care.